Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create a welding and fabrication pro forma financial projections using my welding and fabrication business plan template. So the way this video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, I'm then going to introduce you all to my financial model that's customized for the welding and fabrication industry. I'm going to walk you through it, show you how to use it, how to easily and quickly put the information in there so you can have your pro forma financial projections, profit and loss for the next 12 months and the next 5 years income statements within, usually about 20 to 30 minutes. This video is going to be about, maybe 8 to 10 minutes, and in that time I'm going to be able to show you pretty much how to use that financial model. My welding and fabrication business plan template comes with a Word doc and the Excel financial model. The Word document portion of it is covered in a separate video. All right, with that said and done, let's go ahead and dive into the little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation that I've got concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. So about myself, again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate and owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. I am a professional strategic planner. I mentor small business owners. I help them start the businesses. I help them grow their businesses. I help them with the business plans, provide mentoring for business plan writing, provide mentoring for financial projections, and I also do just financial projections. So if your business plan ready to go, but you need some help with the financial projections, I do that as well. So if you need any one of those services, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am also an author of numerous books published on Amazon.com. A lot of them are focused on writing business plans. So if you want some more information about that, check me out over there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I do have a little bit of education backing up my thoughts and ideas about my business plan templates. All right, with that said and done, let me go ahead and introduce you all to the star of the show, which is my financial model for welding and fabrication. So in my financial model, when you do buy my welding and fabrication business plan template, it comes with a Word document, and the tutorial for that is in a separate video, and it also comes with this financial model in Excel. And once you open it up, you're going to see that it's going to have 4 tabs: the information page, projections, also have your profit and loss for the next 12 months broken quarterly, and then the income statement. And so all your changes that you're going to want to make is going to be on your information tab. And the first section right here is going to be your daily sales. And anywhere you see where the darker color cells right here, that's the information you're going to want to change. For example, with this, for the welding and fabrication template that I've got out there, I'm saying that we're going to work with 3 customers on a daily basis. On average, we're going to go ahead and the sales price for each customer is going to be about $600. And our variable cost, which is going to be what's it's going to cost us in order to make these products that the customer is looking for. Variable cost is about 30%. The next section right here is how many days we're going to be in operations. For this sample, I'm just saying that's 5. You can change it to 6. You can change it to 4. However many days you're going to be open, go ahead and change it there. Next section is going to be your labor. How much do you want to go ahead and put yourself for a salary? In this sample right here, I've got $2,500, but you can go ahead and change it to whatever you feel fit. Next section is going to be your labor. How many employees are you going to have? For this example, it's 3. What is the average rate? I'm saying it's going to be $17. So the average rate per hour for an employee is $17. And then I'm saying they're going to be working 172 hours, which is 40-hour work week. Next section is going to be your startup cost. So your startup cost for the first 2 lines in this startup cost, this is going to be how you're going to fund a company. For this example, I'm saying that the owner is going to be investing $50,000, and then we're going to take out a loan for $150,000. So together, that's going to be $200,000 in startup cost. And then underneath here, this is all your costs that are going to be aligned with how you're going to divvy up this $200,000 up here. Now, these first 2 titles right here can't be changed to build out in the working capital, so these titles are stagnant. They are static. However, these titles down here, you can go ahead and change these titles and then change the dollar amounts over here. All these dollar amounts right here can be changed to align with how you're going to categorize your startup cost. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. Are you going to have rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, legal, advertising, and so on? These titles cannot be changed, but the dollar amounts can be changed. And when you change those dollar amounts, I did put in a bonus graph right here for you. That's going to give you a little bit of a pie chart, add a little bit of color to the template if you want to go ahead and add it to it. It's not in the template, but you can add this fixed cost graph if you like. Next information is going to be your miscellaneous information. Whatever you think you're going to be paying in taxes, going to put it there. Then we've got growth rates, sales for the next 5 years, and then these growth rates below it are going to be for the various costs. And then finally, we've got your loan information. So whatever you put in for your loan information here, for example, the $150,000, that number is automatically going to come down here. And then you can go ahead and put an interest rate here, and then the term of how long your loan is going to be, and the payment is going to be automatically calculated, and the information will go ahead and permeate through your projections, your profit and loss statements for 12 months, and your income statement. So anytime you make any of these changes in the darker colored cells, they do automatically update your pro forma income statement and your income statement as well. So once you're done updating your information, all you got to do now is go into your Word document portion of the business plan and copy and paste your new financial projections into the Word document. And I do cover that in the separate video for the Word document portion of the Welding and Fabrication business plan. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and we can call it a day. So in summary, if you do like what you see and like what you hear for the Welding and Fabrication business plan template, you can purchase this template at this web link right here. Just keep in mind a couple of things. First, when you do, or if you do buy my Welding and Fabrication business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. Tutorials is separate. Also comes with the basic financial model customized for the industry, and the video for the tutorial is this actual video right here. And then finally, there are some restrictions. The documents are not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Office 365, or at the very least, you need Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and you need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And then finally, if you have questions about the Welding and Fabrication business plan template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My information's right here. Love to have a conversation, tell you all about how wonderful the template is. However, after you buy the Welding and Fabrication business plan template, if you do have questions, I do offer mentoring services to help you complete it. There is a charge. I do offer mentoring, and it's in 30-minute segments. So keep in mind there is a charge for it. So before you buy, be delighted to answer questions. After you buy the template, then there would be a charge for phone support for mentoring services. And then if you do want to go ahead and take a look at some of my tutorials before you buy, they are free. Just go to this link right here, and I do provide you all with some tutorials, and I do use my business plan templates as a foundation for the tutorials. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with the writing a business plan via a template, and you just want somebody to write it for you, I do offer custom business plan writing services. I offer the mentoring services for small business owners, whether you're in a startup, whether you're trying to grow your business, expand your business. If you need some mentoring, let me know. Love to do it. And then finally, I do offer strategic planning services. Your business plan is your foundation. Your business plan is going to describe your business, what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, why you're going to do it, and when you're doing to do it. However, the secret sauce to success is that strategic plan. The strategic plan is going to take you from where you are now to where you want to go into the future, and then I can help you set benchmarks to make sure that you stay in the right direction. And so I do offer strategic planning services as well. And all you got to do is go to this link right here for prices on the various services that I offer. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.